What is up, guys? Yes. Hey, have you guys ever wanted to scrape Google Maps for leads? Like, I'm talking like any business that you could just imagine on Google Maps, be able to get those targeted leads, contact phone numbers, emails, social links, everything. Do you guys want to see a new software that I built? Check this out, right? Guys, I just want to let you know this is an entirely AI coded software. So let me show you guys. All right, let me show you my screen. This has been made in the last couple days. So let me show you. It's called websitescraperapi.com. Okay. So this is the website. You can see inside here, you could purchase credits. The credits start for is 420 credits for $9. All right. And then you could go up from there all the way to 1,000,000 credits for $9,000. Okay. So here's what we could do. If we go right here on the left-hand side, we have Map Scraper. Okay. If we come in here, we can do one location per city, or we could do bulk search. So check out this. I could type in, let's just say I typed in attorneys, right? Or let's just say if this was my thing, if I was trying to reach out to attorney, and then I could put, I could come over here and then there's all of these cities, okay? So some of these have tons of cities. If I click on Connecticut, right, you can see if I click on Connecticut, it's literally going to add every single Connecticut city. All right, there's 288 cities in Connecticut. All right, so if I was to do this, this is what it would do. Well, check out what's going to happen, right? So if I click this start bulk scrape, it's literally going to scrape every attorney in Connecticut, and there's 208 cities. So you can see all of these. If I unclick this one, it will remove. We could pick all of these. Florida has 1,100 cities. Guam has 7 cities. So let me just show you, right? I'll show you with 7 cities with Guam, okay? So if I hit start bulk scrape, you can see it starts to scrape. Progress 1 out of 7, 2 out of 7, 3 out of 7, and it's scraping the entire Google Maps right now, okay? Here's what it returns. Okay, inside this, it returns the business ID, the phone number, the name of the business, the full address of that business, the longitude, the latitude, the review count, the ratings, the time zone, all of this information. Okay, so the hours, the photos for this business, all of this stuff. Okay, so same thing with each one of these. Okay, so this literally provides us everything. Well, I can also download this CSV. Okay, so if you see, this is 65 results across 77 cities. Well, it doesn't have, it has the websites in here, but it doesn't have the emails. So if I actually want to reach out to these people, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click download CSV, and it's going to download that CSV. Okay, and then here's what I added. All right, if we look at our CSV data, check out this. It has all of the data nicely formatted for you so you could have these in lead lists. Okay, so now we have this in a nice CSV, attorney, search city, business ID, state, when it opens, the rating, the website. You see how we have all this website? Watch, I'm going to show you something really cool with the website in a second. We have all the types, the tags. So if you want to build a directory off of these, you absolutely 1000% can. Time zones, verified, working hours, reviews, all of this stuff, photos, everything is in here. Well, watch what we have. Up here, we also have the bulk scraper, okay? So you can click on the bulk scraper, and the bulk scraper, one, you could do insert in one URL at a time, okay? So I could type in one URL, this is my wife's website, and I could add URL, and then you could see right here, it adds the URL to the list, and I could select that URL, and I could scrape the URL. Well, this scrapes the entire URL, okay? What does that do? It gives us the text for that entire website. You can see here's all our text. The HTML, the emails, if it finds any emails, social links, if it finds social links, and any extra phone numbers if they have that. It also gives the full JSON response, so you literally can connect this into your own software, and all the images, it returns those also. Okay, so this is what it scrapes from each one of those websites. Well, now watch this. If I hit upload CSV, we can now upload the CSV that we just downloaded from the Google Maps. And if you see right here, it says found 42 valid URLs out of 65 rows. I basically told the AI, hey, make it all work, that this is all connected, okay? And then it connects, and you can see right here, bam, we have 42 URLs. I just want to let you know, I would recommend not going over 5,000 URLs uploading at once. one, you're going to be using a credit per URL. And then two, it just lets you know, like sometimes it just do batches of 5,000. It's nice. It's a nice handle to get that. Okay. And then you could see right here, I could select all. It's going to select every single one of these, and I could scrape selected website. And here, watch what happens. It's going to go through this batch. You see, it says batch 1 of 3, 2 of 3. It's scraping this entire batch in just batches all at once, like bam, 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 bam. All right, this thing's sick. All right, now we're getting emails and social links for each one of these businesses right here. Okay, each one of these businesses, and all these businesses are lawyers in Guam. Okay, so we're able to pull this back. You can see it's scraping. See how long it takes. If you do have a batch of 5,000, just know it's going to take a while. Okay, not every URL allows it to be scraped. Some of them block it. Some of them aren't proper URLs. That's just what people put on Google Maps. So that's why we do a huge amount. Okay, you can see success, success, error, error, success, success, error, success, success, error, error. Okay, so we see that. Now watch this. If I go to emails, you can see that we actually have all the emails over here. Like we have the emails in here. Well, I could also, if I hit export, I can export the emails and export the social links, and it's going to export to the CSV. Well, here's what it's going to do. Just like our original pop-up, our original like CSV that we have, it's going to update that exact CSV. So now you don't have to like copy and paste from one to the other. You don't have to do all that. You just have to literally upload, and it's going to remember your original CSV, and it's going to amend, and it's going to update the original one. So now you have websites, place links, types, working hours, and then over here we have photos because we pull photos off of their site. Okay. And now we have our emails. Okay. So we have all of our emails inside this, attorneys, all of this inside here also. Okay. And we have also social links. Okay. So inside here, we have all your social links, Facebooks, if you want to reach out to them like that. So this is software fully done, ready for action. Literally, you guys can, when you guys scrape the map, it's 1 credit per city. Okay. So something like Alaska would be 245 credits. So when you bulk scrape the websites, it's 1 credit per website. Okay. So that's how it works. With this, you own the data, you own the CSV, you can offer that to people, you can use that as a business, you can build directories around it, whatever you choose. So hope you guys like the software. Love you guys. Talk soon.